Log in and navigate to the Settings page. Go to the Expenses section to manage expense categories and entries. Start by selecting Other Expense Categories. Click on the plus New Other Expense Category button and enter the category name to create a new expense category. Next, select Other Expenses and click on the plus New Other Expenses button to add an expense entry. Provide an expense title, select the appropriate expense category, enter the default expense amount, and add a description. Finally, click Save to store the expense details. This setup ensures efficient tracking and organization of your expenses for better financial management.